Hi guys, welcome to another video from myself, RC Steve B. This one's a little bit late, and if it appears to be slightly rushed, that's because it most definitely is slightly rushed. That's because things have been a little bit busy here. As you can see behind me there, I'm on a little bit of a divergence from the RC trucks and crawlers at the moment. I'm actually doing a doll's house for my mother-in-law, which will then go to my as yet unborn granddaughter, who's expected in November. So that will bring my grandchildren to a total of 3, which we're really looking forward to join both Lucas and Leo. And also things have been a little bit rushed and time has been in short supply because of Grandad duties. It's the school holidays, so Grandad duties have sort of taken over a little bit. Very quickly, it was the first RC UK RC truck and plant meet since the Nationals, which was brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Loved it. Already booked up for next year on the Saturday. I would love to do the weekend, but unfortunately I've got no chance. I had major health problems when I got back with mobility. In fact, I actually really had trouble walking for about 2 or 3 days afterwards. I really did overdo it, and I genuinely do believe that if I stayed for the whole weekend, I wouldn't see the 2025 meet, because I don't think I'd see 2 weeks after the 2024 meet. But I'm definitely going for the 2024 meet, and as I say, I've already booked up and paid for the Saturday, so looking forward to that. Also, as you can see, I've acquired a tank, a Henglong Chieftain. Is it Chieftain? Yeah, Chieftain Challenger 2, Henglong Challenger 2, and it was the first time that I actually had a chance to get that out and about. Had a little bit of a few issues with it when it came from the guy I bought it off on Facebook. Not blaming him, he was selling it on behalf of somebody else, but it didn't quite come as described. It needed a little bit of more work doing to it than I first anticipated, which I don't mind, because hey guys, you know me, I love tinkering. Hence, you know, all the different trucks that I've had, I love taking them apart and rebuilding them. So look for that, and as I say, it was a very small meet, or I don't know if I did say it was a very small meet, the last Sunday, because as I say, it's the middle of the school holidays, people are away on holiday, and we also had a couple of members who were ill and couldn't actually make it, and best wishes go out to Rex, who's in hospital at the moment. Get well soon, Rex. But let's get on with the video anyway. If this looks very similar to the video that I did for the UK RC Truck and Plant group, that's because it is. Didn't really do much videoing, so it's pretty similar what you'll see on both videos, but in case you don't subscribe to them, that's what I'm putting it on my channel for. If you do subscribe to them, no, if you don't subscribe to them, make sure you do, because I will be putting a link at the end of this video for you to subscribe to our group channel. And make sure you do, because sometimes I put different film on, different video footage on their site, and my page, it's mostly my trucks with some of the other guys mixed in. But I try to do a fair showing of all the trucks that are there on the UK RC Truck and Plant website. So without further ado, enjoy the video. I'm not going to say anything at the end of it, because like I say, this one's a bit of a short knock together video, but enjoy it. I'm not sure what's coming up in the future. I know that we've got another meet at the second Sunday of next month, which is September. So looking forward to that one, and I've got a feeling that there will be a few more people there, a few more trucks, and a bit more fun. Well, it's always going to be fun there anyway. So anyway, enjoy the video, guys. Watch what you're doing, and until we meet again next month, happy RCing. See you later. Bye bye.
Correct. There's another one. I like that. As you come through the main door, there's Jimmy does the scone. Yeah, that's the scone. I've never seen it. These like keeping me on my toes, don't Well, it's only sticking in certain places.
Certain places, yeah.
Yeah, 3 wheels all that way. Stuck there, look. So it's stuck there, look.
Yeah.
TMI that was.
I'll take it off when I get home and have a look at it. It has.
Because it's JCB. No, don't watch it, watch the paint off. No. You're not going to want it, do you? Which one will this now? Hey, very well done. Come on, straight at the camera, Rob. You got any more left?
Don't